Okay, so how to convert PDF to Excel file? So works really simple. Let's open Excel file. So go to Start menu, type Excel. Here it is. So Excel is open, and here I have a PDF file. So here it is. So what I need to do is I will open a Word document, and I will drag and drop so here's a Word, and I will drag and drop my PDF file here. Okay, so next what I need to do is when file is in the Word document, I need to, so here it is, so I need to mouse over on a left corner, so, and you will see such plus. Click on it with right click and simply copy all data. Now go back to your Excel. So open Excel and simply paste it. So right click and simply click on paste. So here we are. So everything is simple, as you can see.